Mirsa, lantas bagaimana seharusnya Indonesia memacu potensi pengembangan jaringan 5G di tanah air untuk pertumbuhan ekonomi digital yang lebih maksimal? Kita akan mengulas mendorong potensi ekonomi digital Indonesia melalui jaringan 5G bersama dengan narasumber Mr. Ozgur Erzincan, as President Director Nokia Indonesia yang sudah hadir secara langsung di studio CNBC Indonesia. Hello Mr. Ozgur, good day to you. Welcome on CNBC Indonesia.
Thank you very much, Dina. Thanks for inviting me to your program.
Yeah. Okay, so first of all, before we are talking about further about the 5G network in Indonesia, can you tell me, can you describe Nokia's current business after shifting from focus on mobile phones to telecommunication networks and infrastructure? And what is Nokia's business development like in Indonesia currently?
Thank you. Yes, at Nokia we create the technology for the world to act together. Yes, there's many people who have still the nice memories of having their first Nokia phone, but we have transitioned from that to a B2B technology innovator, and we are leading in transforming industries with our wide portfolio of fixed and mobile networks and cloud solutions. Okay. And this is what we do.
Okay, so can you provide an overview offer of how 5G technology is expected to impact Indonesia's digital economy? How do you foresee 5G influencing Indonesia's GDP growth and overall economic development?
Okay, I will just refer to a report that is carried out by GSMA. According to the GSMA report, until 2030, GSMA estimates that the total economical contribution will be around 650 trillion rupiah. And this is going to be resulted by a coverage of 80% of the population with 41% of penetration rate. And if we just convert this into GDP contribution, we are talking about 0.6% GDP contribution, which will sum up to 172 trillion rupiah per annum. That's the expected value generation. And this will be basically realized by creating an innovative ecosystem infrastructure and also the platform for the companies to transform their business easily with the benefits of the 5G, with the mission-critical, low latency, and uninterrupted mobile wireless network.
Okay, so what is the evaluation so far?
The 5G is coming to Indonesia, but I will use the analogy of a car. So we now have the full chassis of the car, the engine, the seats, the steering wheel. What we are missing is the tires. And this is spectrum for the 5G technology. Even though with some operators there are areas that is offering 5G service, this is done with the existing spectrum, which is limited. And for us to evolve into the new era of 5G, we need to have the additional spectrums coming and available for the operators.
Okay, so can you tell me a bit more specific about the primary benefits of 5G for businesses, your business, and consumers in Indonesia specifically?
Yeah. Okay, so for businesses, the main benefit of 5G is, as I mentioned, the transformational power of 5G. And if we are talking about what is this, the companies will be leveraging 5G to gain operational efficiency in their processes, because 5G will enable them to be flexible. It will provide them to collect data from their processes, analyze it, and create insights. There's also one separate form of 5G called private 5G. And the companies can have a dedicated low latency network to, without using the cables, to continue their businesses very flexibly. Another benefit that the companies will have is remote work and expertise service. So easily somebody somewhere around the world can connect to the specific enterprise and provide services, leveraging all the multimedia capabilities provided, exchange of video, audio, information online with the very high bandwidth provided to them. That's the way the enterprises are going to benefit. When it comes to the consumers, we're talking about increased bandwidth, much more than what we have currently, and low latency. And that will improve the experience of gaming and streaming services provided. We all now experience the transformation that the Gen AI is providing. And this will be coming in different form factors, like glasses with integrated cameras, integrated Gen AI capabilities. And that will also require mission-critical, reliable, low-latency wireless communication. And actually, anything related to XR, VR, augmented reality, virtual reality will be possible with the benefits of the 5G.
Okay. I want you to describe more about what are Nokia's product that is available in Indonesia market to boost 5G network. What is the exact product that, can you describe the use case of Nokia's product right now in Indonesia?
Okay. We have been providing the network infrastructure for the operators in Indonesia. And this is to provide mobile communications, but also fixed communications. So anything to do with the connectivity of Indonesia to outside world through the fiber optic lines. We provide the technology for this to be available. We also provide the technology for home broadband. So for users to connect to internet from their home, we provide the infrastructure behind it to the communication service providers. For wireless communications, we can think about anything to do with your mobile phone. This is possible with the technology that we provide.
Okay. So what's the dominance for Nokia's Indonesia market? Is it enterprise market or retail market or B2C? Can you tell me?
It's more B2B, and the dominant market is the telecom operators. But we also serve the enterprises. So companies like mining companies, ports, petrochemical companies, manufacturing companies are also prospective customers. So I would say whomever requires a mission-critical network will be a customer of us. But the dominant market is telecom operators.
Okay. In what ways can 5G, you see, can help bridge the digital divide in Indonesia, especially in rural and underserved areas? As we know, Indonesia is we have a lot of island. It's gotta be a hurdle for us to go towards the advanced technology.
Yeah, I mean 5G is actually an economical way of providing wireless broadband, mobile broadband, and if we are able to use this in the best possible way, we can reach to rural and underserved areas, provide them a very high-speed broadband internet connectivity that will enable them to benefit from this in various forms. A couple of examples: remote learning, remote healthcare, getting access to the government services will be possible by the infrastructure that is provided by 5G or wireless communication in general. And if we consider, it will make people to get remote consultation from experts in medicine from the places that they live without going into the urban centers. Or it will provide equal opportunity for students in the rural, underserved areas to access the education facilities, like in Jakarta. And if we're talking about smart agriculture, for instance, it will give the opportunity to do precision farming with the advanced technologies like drones, with sensors, IoT applications, and will increase the productivity of the farming that we do, also the sustainability of it.
Okay, that's